Hello, my wonderful scorpions out there, and welcome to the Divine Enchantress YouTube channel. This is your Divine Enchantress with your mid month up to the rest of month of May 2021 love reading. I am so thankful to all of you who've connected to the channel so far, and I welcome all the new cross watchers as well as the new subscribers of the channel. I'll be posting the June videos as well very soon to the channel, so please stay in touch with us. Let me tell you all the readings I make on the channel are purely general in nature, so I apologize if they do not resonate with all of you. Let's see what messages are in store for Scorpions out there for the rest of the month of May 2021. And we have over here wait. There is something for you to wait to hold on to, alright? And let's get into more details of the cards as to what the cards have to predict for you. Also, for those who've been asking me about the accessories I wear, then let me tell you that Divine Enchantress is not just an institute. We do not just teach holistic healing and divination arts over here, but we also are a major, huge crystal hub. So, for any of your personalized accessories of pure, high quality, high density crystals, you can definitely get to the link below mentioned in the description box, and I'll be thrilled to have you with us. All right, thank you so much. So, the sun and wait. Alright, beautiful. So, Scorpions, let's see what other cards of tarot have to tell me about the rest of the month for all of you. Alright, so let's see. In love and relationship for the rest of May 2021 for my dear Scorpions. Alright. Okay, the bottom of the deck we have the Ten of Pentacles. So certain things which you've been expecting moreover to do with your domestic family or your marriage or overall aspect could be just a little delayed or could have problems. I would definitely say that delays because we have again got the card of waiting over here. You've been asked to wait, to hold on to, and Sun. Now Sun, the card Surya in Hindu mythology, is also, as we all know, Sun represents our health, our career, our vitality overall in this situation. Now let's see what the cards have to give me energy. But Scorpions out there, I feel that there is a lot of discipline when it comes to your health that you need to put into your life before this month ends, is what I feel. All right. Wonderful, Scorpion. So as I said, with families overall, as we could see, there is a Ten of Pentacles reverse and the Ten of Cups reverse. So contentment is a bliss. Contentment is a feeling which you can build within yourself. So even if although things are getting delayed for you when it comes to your financial or your family front, do not be entirely upset and try to understand or enjoy the situation as it is. Now, for my single friends out there, I would definitely feel that you felt defeated and lost in this situation and you have thought about giving up. This isn't you, but this is you who's trying to walk away from the situation. And if you're doing that, then there is a major opportunity for things. Now, things could definitely go either ways for my dear friends. For those who are single Scorpions could have this opportunity wherein they could begin or end the situation, because we have the World card as well, because it will be a successful completion of anything that it is. Also, your intuition skills this month would be all-time high because we have the High Priestess. So before this month ends, Scorpion, just listen to your gut instincts and wait before you take any major chances. Although there are opportunities for you to explore your, if you're single, you could be exploring your options. If you are in a relationship, you could be having the opportunity to take the relationship into a more serious realm, that is of, you could ask, or you could date, you could officially get engaged, or you could marry, however that it is. But overall, I would still say that it is very important. The priority or right now is that your peace of mind and your health is very important. I do get a vibe, Scorpions, that for the rest of the month you have to really focus on your health as a priority factor than the rest of it. But when it comes to relationship for single as well as those who are in a commitment, all right, with the Sun card, I would also say relationships, when it comes to marriage, things may go slow, but they will go strong. As the Sun takes its own time, as summer takes its own time to have its own course and its own purpose, exactly the same way everything will fall into place. Everything will have a successful completion. All right, you just have to believe in it, Scorpions, and do not and let your intuition guide you. If your intuition says that, and definitely with the moon crashed over here and the sun, there is no space for any misunderstandings now. I would definitely say, if lately you have been feeling cheated or bullied or deceived in any situation of your life, Scorpions, then that is also going to overcome, because now your inner gut feelings as a water sign, the high priestess within you, is going to balance these aspects and these energies. So definitely I would say, to a huge extent, Scorpions, the only delays I feel when it comes to your family, your togetherness, your get together, and overall all of this could just, this could make you a little low, but you just have to wait, because the sun is going to shine bright on you. Overall right now, the discipline which you could get in your lifestyle and your entire routine could actually be helping you. But Scorpions, let me tell you, definitely a lot of opportunities open up for you this month. You just have to go through all the if you are single, you just have to be careful about what you invest your heart, feelings and time into. But for those, I feel it's a very positive time for those who are in a relationship. Although it could be a little distance, or although it could be a little discontentment about certain things not going according to your pace, but the message over here is to wait, because everything falls into place at its own divine timing. Scorpions out there, I hope you receive this message with the best of your health, because June, I have a feeling, will bring much better energies in comparison to this month. And for that to check out, please to connect to the channel, because I'll be posting the June readings very, very soon. Thank you so much for staying with us and watching this. And you are most welcome to connect to me personally as well. Thank you. This is your Divine Enchantress now, signing off in all love and power. Bye bye.